What if I told you that right now you might already be dehydrated and not even know it? Not thirsty, not exhausted, not collapsing, just slowly, silently running low. Most people think dehydration only happens on hot summer days or after intense workouts. But the truth is, dehydration can sneak up on you in ways you would never expect. And today, I'm going to walk you through the silent warning signs your body gives when it's running low on water. Signs most people ignore until they turn into real problems. Make sure you stay until the end, because one of these signs is so common people mistake it for stress or lack of sleep. Let's get into it. Your body is made up of about 60% water. Your brain, nearly 75%. Your blood, more than 80%. Water isn't just about quenching thirst. It regulates temperature. It lubricates joints. It supports digestion. It keeps your heart pumping efficiently. When your hydration drops even slightly, as little as 1 to 2%, your body starts compensating. And that's when the silent warning signs begin. Let's break them down. Sign number 1. Persistent fatigue. You slept 7 to 8 hours. You didn't stay up late, but by mid-morning, you already feel drained. Mild dehydration reduces blood volume. That means less oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and brain. Your heart works harder. Your energy drops faster. What feels like, I just need coffee, might actually be, I just need water. Before your next cup of caffeine, try a full glass of water and wait 20 minutes. You might be surprised. Sign number 2. Frequent headaches. Ever notice headaches that seem to come out of nowhere? When you are dehydrated, your brain can temporarily shrink slightly due to fluid loss. That creates pressure changes inside the skull, triggering pain receptors. It doesn't always feel weird. Sometimes it's a dull ache. Sometimes it feels like the tension. If headaches improve after drinking water, that's not coincidence. It's your body saying, refill me. Sign number 3. Brain fog and poor concentration. You walk into a room and forget why you are there. You reread the same sentence 3 times. You struggle to focus on simple tasks. Even mild dehydration affects cognitive performance. Studies show it can impact memory, mood, and reaction time, especially in adults who spend hours working indoors without thinking about hydration. If your thinking feels cloudy, check your water intake before blaming productivity or burnouts. Sign number 4. Dry mouth, but not always thirst. Here's the tricky part. Thirst is actually a late sign of dehydration. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already behind. Early signs include slightly dry lips, sticky saliva, bad breath, a dry or coated tongue. Saliva production drops when fluids drop. And that subtle dryness, it's your early alarm system. Sign number 5. Dark yellow urine. This one is simple and powerful. Your urine color is one of the clearest hydration indicators. Light straw color, you are well hydrated. Dark yellow or amber, you are likely low on fluids. When you are dehydrated, your kidneys conserve water, making urine more concentrated. It's your body trying to survive on less. Quick tip: check the color before you flush. It tells a story. Sign number 6. Muscle cramps or tightness? Ever had sudden calf cramps, tight hamstrings, random muscle spasms? Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium depend on proper hydration. When fluids drop, electrolyte balance shifts. Muscles become more prone to cramping and stiffness, especially if you exercise or sweat more than usual. Hydration isn't just about water, it's about balance. Sign number 7. Rapid heartbeat or feeling off. This one surprises people. When blood volume drops due to dehydration, your body heart compensates by beating faster. You may notice slight palpitations, feeling lightheaded when standing, a sense of unease. It may not feel dramatic, just subtle. But it's your cardiovascular system working overtime. And overtime, that strains adds up. Who is most at risk? Some people are more vulnerable. Older adults, thirst sensation decreases with age. People who drink lots of caffeine, those in hot climates, anyone exercising regularly, people working long hours indoors without water breaks. Sometimes it's not about forgetting to drink. It's about not realizing how much you actually need. Simple hydration reset. Here's a simple guideline. Start your morning with 1 full glass of water. Drink consistently, not all at once. Add electrolytes if you sweat heavily. Don't wait for thirst. Small, steady habits prevent big problems. Your body whispers before it screams. Fatigue, headaches, brain fog, cramps, they might not be random. They might be a simple request for water. Listen early and your body will thank you later. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you understand your body better, subscribe to CareU, because the more you understand your body, the better you can protect it.